What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Quick one today on the Aerox again. As those of you who watched the Leo Vinci exhaust video would have noticed the bracket problem with this not lining up and fitting properly. I've just been given this, which is a proper Leo Vinci adjustable bracket. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. I'm going to try and take this old one off and refit this today to see if it solves the problem. So for those of you having the same sort of thing with it not lining up with the original mounting bracket, this looks like it could be the answer. Dead simple, adjustable. You can undo this nut here and move it to whatever suits. So I'll have a look now, see if it works. The first thing I'm going to do is remove this old bracket. So for those of you who don't remember, it was a 13mm nut, or bolt should I say, top and bottom. The top's not been off yet, it's going to be tight to get off. We'll use a bit of WD-40 and hopefully get the bolt undone. So I'm going to get this off now and we'll show you guys the new bracket and see if it lines up with this down here to hold the exhaust on properly. So we have a bracket back on, and the first thing you can see, or two things, is it's fouling the end of the exhaust here, so that's no good. I mean, it wouldn't do any harm really, but it'd make it dead awkward to do that bolt, and it still doesn't reach this hole. So I think the obvious thing to do, because of the way it's angled, is to flip it round and try it the wrong way around, so it sort of angles in towards that bracket and we might be able to make something work. So I'm going to take it back off, flip it round and have another go. Right, I've just flipped it round and this angle basically just causes it to hit the tyre. It goes that far in the other way, so it doesn't look like it's going to fit today. So I'm either going to try and find a new bracket, one that's right, or just get a little plate made with two holes in it to connect that bolt there to the hole in the bracket, and you can see it there. I just thought I'd share it with you guys, a little update on how things are going. And that's about it for this. So until the next tutorial, take it easy guys. Peace.